Okay, today we're going to be learning about multiplying with money. Now don't let that scare you. Multiplying with money just is the exact same as multiplying decimals. It just has a dollar sign. I'm going to rewrite the problem 70 cents times 2.5 so that it's up and down. First I'm going to write 2.5 and then I'm going to use our trick. I'm going to get rid of this 0 times 0.70. And I'm just going to put this dollar sign here so that I don't forget that it's there. But it's kind of like the decimal. I don't want to think about it until I get the answer. So first I want to multiply. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. I've multiplied by 0. So now I want to put a 0 placeholder. 7 times 5 is 35. 5 goes down, plus 3 goes up. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 3 is 17. Now I'm ready to add 0, 5, 7, 1. Now I need to count my decimal places. 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places in the problem means 3 decimal places in the answer. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now one thing I've put my decimal point. The next thing I need to do is bring down my dollar sign. Now has anybody ever heard of $1 and 750 cents? No. That's because it has an extra 0 on the end that we don't need. So my final answer is actually $1.75. Have we heard of that? Yes, we've heard of that, right? Okay, if you haven't written this on number 1 on your paper, you need to write this. Let's go to number 2. So it's $26.35 times 0.6. I'm going to rewrite that up and down. $26.35 times 0.6. I'm not going to think about my decimal or my dollar sign until the end. Okay, so let's multiply. 6 times 5, 30. 0 goes down, plus 3 goes up. Remember, you should be doing this with me. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 3 is 21. 1 goes down, plus 2 goes up. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 2 is 38. 8 goes down, plus 3 goes up. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Now, I can think about those dollar signs and that decimal. First, I'm going to count my decimal places. 1, 2, 3 decimal places in my answer. In my problem means I need to put 3 decimal places in my answer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, can drop that dollar sign now. And I'm going to get rid of that 0 because I don't need it at the end. And I'm going to rewrite my answer, $15.81. Okay, we're going to do one more together and clear some space. We're going to do number 3. Number 3 says $3.60 times 12. Again, I want to rewrite this. I'm going to write $3.60 times 12. Not going to think about my decimal point or my dollar sign until the end. Okay, let's multiply. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 goes down, plus 1 goes up. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. I multiplied by 2. I've used the plus 1. Now I'm going to put a 0 placeholder. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 6, 6. 1 times 3, 3. Let's add 0 plus 0. 2 plus 0, 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now I'm ready to think about decimals. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, now I want to bring down my dollar sign. Is $43.20 okay? Yeah, that's a normal dollar amount, so I don't need to get rid of that 0 this time. I know I said this was going to be the last one, but I promise this is going to be the last one. Let's do number 4 together. Number 4 says $14.90 times 8. You're going to rewrite it up and down. $14.90 times 8. Not going to think about what? Everybody out there in the audience, what are we not thinking about?
The decimal.
Or
The dollar sign.
or the dollar sign. That's right. Okay? So I'm going to think about those later. Right now I'm just going to multiply. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 9, 72. 2 goes down, plus 7 goes up. Remember, you should be writing this on your paper as I'm doing it up here. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 7 is 39. 9 goes down, plus 3 goes up. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. All right, nothing else to multiply by. Now I'm going to think about my decimal. 1, 2. 2 in the answer means I need to move that decimal to, 2 in the problem means I need to move that 2 in the answer. 1, 2, and I've got to bring down that dollar sign. $119.20 is a totally normal answer, so I don't need to get rid of this 0. I'm going to keep it in my answer. All right, Ms. Hernandez is going to assign to you the rest of what you're going to complete today. Do your very best, and if you need help, make sure to ask Ms. Hernandez. Have a super day, and remember, I'm watching you.